Hello everyone, are you struggling with grammar mistakes in your writing? Whether it's email, assignment, or social media posts, grammar errors can leave the wrong impression. But don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to use Grammarly, a powerful free tool that helps you fix grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors in seconds. Whether you are a student, professional, or content creator, Grammarly can instantly improve your writing, and I'm going to show you how to make the most of it step by step. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm at the Google website. Here you will type for Grammarly, okay, and you will get this website grammarly.com. If you type this website address in your browser, you will get directly read to this website. Okay, so this is the overall interface of this website. First of all, you have to create an account on this website. So I will go with sign up with Google account because it's super easy. It fetches all of our information in just a few clicks. Okay, so let's do it. So I have selected my Gmail account here, and I will select continue, and that's how your account will be successfully created at Grammarly. Okay, so you can use Grammarly in two way, like you can use this software as well as you can use their web-based extension. Okay, so in this video we are going to use their web-based extension. Okay, so let's say select all the possible options here. Okay, and let's do it the next. For let's if we do is skip. Okay, it's up to you. I'm just skipping all of these options. So they have free plans as well as the pro plans. So if you want to try a pro feature, you can try it now for the $0. You don't have to pay for the subscription, but right now I'm going to go with the free version, so I will select no thanks. Okay, and here you can get Grammarly for your Windows Plus as well as your Chrome. So we are going to go with the Chrome option. Okay, eventually it will download as well as for your system, and you can select this add the browser extension. So it will take us to the Chrome web store where we can enable this extension by adding it to our Chrome. So I will select add extension. So finally the extension has been added to our Chrome, and let's select next. Okay, and next. Okay, you can try it in these multiple platforms. Let's try in Gmail. I will show you how it works. Let's create an email first and write something here, and if we type something grammatically wrong, it will tell us. So let's write and something here. Let's see, we write greetings. Let's add some mistakes here. Greetings, how are you? And let's see, it will show you underline you the wrong words. So you just click on this greetings, and then you will select tab, and in this way it will tell you the underline you or highlight the word that is grammatically wrong, and then you can recorrect the that specific word with the help of this Grammarly extension. So that's all about how you can use and how you can install the extension of the Grammarly for correcting your grammar mistakes. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.